Alright, so since the project doesn't actually work as intended, I figured I would at least give an example of what I have so far and what's going wrong. Basically, this little here is Eclipse. It's just how you develop for Android. The main files you have here are just this is a little example of how you would pull it up and it would look on your phone application. And then this just deals with, I guess, how you get information from this main page. And the problem that I am having deals over in this Java file that I made. Uh, Basically, I'm going to give you an example of it in a few seconds, but this here just checks to see, hey, if there's an alarm, you can start playing the music. But the music uh, that I played is created through, I guess it's called the MIDI library in Java. When this library, it's generally you just do it like import java dot. I think it's javax. I have it over here. It's javax.sound.midi. Um, and you can see that that file doesn't exist over here in Eclipse, and that's because that file, yes, just can't be run on Android. So I looked into it a lot, and there was, in fact, one person who basically tried to import it and make his own MIDI copy that is workable in Android, and I did get it set up so that I could import files from it. But it's still not working, and I've read through. There doesn't seem to be a synthesizer class in his, and the synthesizer rather is what you actually use to play the music notes. And I've looked through a lot of these files just generically to see what it might be called or if it's in here, and I can't find it. So it's just sort of, I don't know. I would just I want to prove that I did try very hard to get this up and running, and just hit a lot of setbacks. Um, so ignoring this application side of things, though, if I quit, uh, if we quit Eclipse, uh, this over here is an incredibly simplified demo of the sound project uh, that does work with MIDI. Like you can play this program over here on your computer, and it won't. I took away sort of the alarm part because it wasn't really needed. So this is just proof that it. I don't know. I have something that plays sound, and I couldn't get that over and working and up and running on an Android device. So I'm going to hit the play button and we'll try and take a listen. Hopefully you can hear it. And it's the error message was from this other file I have up from it trying to get other things working. Yeah, so you can hear it running right now. It's slightly choppy because the my screen recording is going and it's, it's taking away some of these issues. This output here is just sort of it's leftover code. I was using it to debug and figure out what was going on, but it's not really important. So I'll just stop it here. It goes on for a while. So yeah, that is what I have so far. Unfortunately,